Okay, investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm talking about Arrival. So ticker symbol is ARVL. So yesterday, the stock was up nearly 6% in the last 30 minutes of trading hour, and after hours the stock is up another 11% after some great news came out regarding the company. So in this video, I'll get into that news, and also I'll get into, is this stock still a buy? So I actually first bought into the stock pre-merger last year, then I sold out for a 60% gain when it hit $30, with the intention of always getting back in after the merger, because I was predicted that there will be a huge drop after the merger, and this is exactly what happened. So the stock went as low as $13 and I started to accumulate my shares again. So on April the 19th, I actually informed my Discord members to start buying this at the $14 and below cost range. Then again on April the 26th, it was sitting at $16 and I said that this is still a good place to start building your position, and if it dips below $15, you want to accumulate more shares. And now fast forward a few months, the stock is now sitting at $19, and after hours it's up to $22. So those are some huge gains in just a couple months. So yeah guys, for early buying opportunity, then be sure to follow my Discord, which is linked down below in the description, and also don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. So yeah guys, so before I get into why the stock is up and is it a buy, let's talk about a bit about the company and what the company actually does. So this is a British EV company that trades in the US Nasdaq exchange. So the company produces low-cost EV buses and EV van, and because they're low cost, they appeal more to the general public as well as big institutions and big companies. So more general public can afford these EV van. So already the company has an order for 10,000 vehicles from the UPS, which is worth $400 million. And this is a potential to double to 20,000 orders, which is a potential 1 billion in pre-order already. And also this company produces their vehicle in what's known as a micro factory, which is easy to build, and you can start production as soon as 6 months, and also it can be set up in any city, which allows the company to meet global demand. So the micro factory has a capacity to produce 10,000 EV vans and 1,000 EV buses. So already the company has micro factories in North Carolina, South Carolina, and also the UK, and also Spain. And also in the future, as they accumulate more deals, we can see this expanding to different regions of the world. So this makes expansion very easy, because essentially they can meet global demands and it can set up in any part of the world, and this will contribute heavily towards their future revenue. So yeah guys, so now let's get into why the stock is up huge. So yesterday the company made a Twitter post showcasing their vans, and with the caption saying Arrival vans are ready for trial. So the company is ready to start their trial, and this means that very soon we can expect commercial mass production of their van if the trial is successful, which means that's potential catalyst or future catalyst that's going to push up the stock price. And so if the trial is successful, and news of this can potentially help push up the stock price even further. And also when I do begin commercial mass production, this as well can potentially be another catalyst, and when they start delivering their vehicle, this again is revenue and also catalyst to send this stock soaring. So yeah guys, so the company also attended a virtual investors presentation yesterday for the Edison's Group Future of Transportation, and I guess that this attracted a lot more investors, and what's there not to attract, because this company does have a huge potential, and this cost range in years to come will be very, very cheap. So yeah guys, so now let's get into, is this stock still a buy? So currently the stock is sitting at $19 and it's up 11% after hours. So ideally you don't want to chase the stock whilst it's still running up. However, I could see this going further up in the next week before we get a dip, because this company has another conference tomorrow which will attract a lot more investors as well. So ideally, anyone looking to get into the stock, be prepared to hold the stock long term. So this is not a short-term investment or a swing trade. So ideally, you want you want to start your position below $20. But even at this $22 cost range, it's still a good place to start a small position. So consider starting a very small position, maybe 20% of what you plan to build. Then when it dips, or if it dips, then you want to add on the dip. Then just hold and be patient, that in years to come, I believe that this will pay off tremendously. I believe that this is a great company with huge potential, and they can dominate the EV van and bus space with a low cost and accessible EV vans. So yeah guys, so for further news regarding this company and to stay up to date, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy or sell a stock because I said to do so. So always do your own research and do your own due diligence before you invest your money into any stock. And don't forget to join my free Discord for early buying opportunity, and use my Webull link where you deposit $100, you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.